Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to have different wallpapers on iPhone focus mode. The first thing you need to do is open settings. Once in settings, you are going to select focus. Then you are going to tap on the focus mode. For example, do not disturb. And you are going to scroll down until you see the option customize screens. You are going to tap on edit. Then from here you can select the screen that you would like to appear when you go into do not disturb. So let's say for example this one right here. Then tap on done in the top right hand corner. Now you are going to go back and you are going to select driving. After selecting driving, you are going to scroll down again until you see customize screens. You are going to tap on choose. Then from here you will simply select the screen that you would like to use. For example, this one right here. Then tap on done. And that's it. You can do this with each focus mode. So you can see whenever you choose one, you will realize that your home screen automatically changes. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.